Today I'm going to go through a quick instructional video on showing you how to submit your video pitch. As most of you know, on June 30th we close our active phase for ideation or submitting problem statements, but don't worry, you'll still be able to do that, and I'm going to show you how. But first, what you're going to do is you're going to navigate to catalyst.energy.gov, and while logged into the platform, you're going to click on the orange button here. First thing you're going to do is you're going to ensure that the campaign drop-down box is set to business innovation. It is the default campaign for this portion of the program, but just please ensure that it's selected so that your video pitch can be submitted. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to look for the problem statement ID that you're going to address with your video pitch solution. So I have one ready here. It's called the DC Microgrid Controller for Tesla Powerwall and Other Battery Storage Systems. So you're going to cut and paste that link in the field here. That will let the reviewers know that this is the problem that your video pitch is addressing. Next, what you're going to do is upload your video. So I have the Catalyst video teed up here since this is a hypothetical video pitch submission. Just please ensure that your video is hosted on a public service like YouTube so that it can be embedded in the idea stream. Next, you're going to put a title and a description of your video pitch solution. This one is called Catalyst plus Tesla Powerwall equals crazy delicious. Basically, just this description outlines a solution where you would run something like a catalyst to produce controls products for a sustainable home. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to link your online resumes or CVs. So I have here some LinkedIn public links for the Catalyst team members' profiles. One link is all that's needed, but you can submit up to 5. So just ensure that all your information is correct. Also, you have the opportunity, it's highly encouraged to tag your video pitch solution so that folks can easily sort through the list of video pitches and ideas on the platform. For now, I'm just going to label this really quickly as customer and let's say data as well. So once all that is done, we just click submit, and it will go to the back end of the platform for review. Once the idea becomes active, it will be posted on the platform. So let's say you have thought of an interesting solution, but there isn't a problem on the platform that it can address in its present form. So what you're going to do is you're going to submit that problem statement, and the way you can do that is by hitting the orange button again while logged into the platform. And you can do this through August 14th. This time what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that the campaign drop-down box is selected to ideation, not business innovation. You'll see that the input form changes, and you're going to go through a similar exercise where you think of a title of your idea. So I have a kind of preloaded idea here that will go live on the platform. It's called the Clean Web Cloud Score, which finds the influencers for the new energy economy. So go ahead and write up a description. In this case, our description is just simply describing our intent to find all the influencers behind the clean energy and information technology kind of intersection that's going on in the public today. You know, a lot of stars out there are using their star power to advocate for renewable energy technologies. Is this really panning out for widespread influence? So once again, make sure your campaign is selected to ideation. You can tag it according to any particular tags that relates. Maybe this one's at education. There are a predetermined set of tags, so feel free to use them liberally, and maybe we'll call this outreach as well. And then any URL links which help readers of your idea get a feel for what you're getting at. So let's include the Cloud Score link here, and maybe an article about Leonardo DiCaprio and Mark Ruffalo launching a clean energy campaign. So make sure that all your information is correct and go ahead and click submit. And that idea will then be submitted to the Catalyst backend, and once it's active, it will be viewable publicly. So you have until August 14th to submit video pitches as well as additional problem statements. If you have any questions, feel free to email sunshot.catalyst@ee.doe.gov, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. You have until August 14th to submit all video pitches and problem statements. So best of luck, and we look forward to seeing your submissions. Thanks a lot.